Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing a Sakura Japanese snack box. Whoa, let's open it. Yeah. Wait. Okay, first, we got a little postcard. Next is a booklet. It tells you what we got inside. Okay, puppies, let's see what else we got. Okay, this was a time to see what it did. I think it's another right. It needs to be the yard. Yeah, so this looks like it's a Tachi living talking to Tani. Now with that, Peach Castilla. Yeah, it's just one piece. What's your soy sauce alive? What is it? Soy sauce. Shoot, Ari Senpai. That's really good. Tastes like a potato chip. What's that? Green gummies. That's a good gummy. It's a casual classical jelly. You love these juicy. Good to see you. Well, it's a traditional drink made out of kudzu root. Wow. Chocolate crunch.
Napatay ko yung ano ni Rep eh. Yun, parang alam sa amo.
Well, we'll do this one such a team. Okay, last but not least.
Ano? Oo, sandali.
It's pretty.
Ito ba?
Today we're